Hey guys, I am back with another quick video. Gonna do a quick plan with me for the week of July 20th to July 26th. And we're gonna be using the beach kit for the PP weeks from SoCutePlanner. Nice and simple with some waves on these date covers. This main box here has some waves. And you have your half boxes, your heart checklist, the weekend banner, your bottom washi. I mean, these are adorable. Look at that. And so we're gonna get these stuck down and I'll be back. So you guys, I went to a sticker shop. They have a website. It's called goldpaperprints.com. And they were having this amazing flash sale, like 60% off. And I only found out about it because of somebody on Instagram. This person had happened to like one of my pictures on Instagram when I was promoting one of my videos that I had posted. And so I was like, hey, let me check out this shop. You know, it's one of those, if you buy, I think she's a PR for that shop. So, you know, if you mention the name, you get their freebie or whatnot after you make a purchase. And so I was looking, and the kits looked amazing, okay? And like I said, it was 60% off. Can't pass up a sale, so I went there. I purchased $106 worth of stuff. And with the 60% off, y'all, all my stuff came up to like 44 bucks. $44, that's it. For $106 worth of product that I am super excited to get. So that's what I did this past Tuesday. And like I said, it's goldpaperprints.com. You know, of course you have to go and check it out yourself to see if it's anything you'd be interested in, but I really do think you would be. I mean, she has everything in that shop. Me personally, I'm trying to kind of stock up on my kits, so I got some kits. I think that's all I got. I may have gotten some. I mean, she has everything you can think of, y'all. Just check out the shop. I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you do go through the link, you can get 25% off. So I say, hey, go for it. All right, guys. So goldpaperprints.com is having another flash sale right now that's good until August 4th. But if you're not able to get to it before then, remember the link is down below, where you can save 25% anytime. Now I'm just going to put down my full boxes, finish laying down all the stickers, and then I'll be back at the end. Peace. All right, guys, I'm all finished. Here's the finished product. So sorry it's not all in frame, but you can see most of what I did here. I do appreciate you for taking time to watch this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, turn on your post notifications so you're notified each time I post, and check the description for anything that I may have mentioned. Have a blessed day. Bye.